going to be making pumpkin fritters. And when I was younger, I didn't like eating my vegetables, and this was a show where my mom getting me to eat my pumpkin by making these pumpkin fritters. So this is her recipe, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of cooked and pureed pumpkin, 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons caster sugar, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of milk, and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. A half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. In a 1/4 cup of oil over medium heat, about 2 to 3 minutes each side. For a healthier alternative, substitute the sugar out for honey or coconut sugar and use coconut oil instead of sunflower oil for frying. Sprinkle some sugar on top and enjoy.